So I'm playing in the key of D. So this is the chord progression of the song. Oh God, G is on D, D, God, E rates, A, then B minor, A, G, then D, 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 then E minor, then F sharp minor, then back to B minor. So the progression in Solfa: Fa, Do, Sol, La, Sol, Fa, Do, Re, Mi, La, Fa, Do, Sol, La, Sol, Fa, Do, Re, Mi, La.
Understood.
So there are different ways you can play over this chord progression. Number one, the first thing you can do to solo over this chord progression is to find your Do, and then my Do is on the 7th fret here. Can you see Do? So if you can play this Solfa notation of the song, the melodies of the song is going to take you a step higher in soloing. So what I was doing earlier was I was playing the melody of the song. I was playing da, 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 da. So I'm doing la, 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 ti, do, so, mi, da, 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 ti, la, so, la, ti, do, so, mi, da, 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 ti, la. Let me take it again. La, 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 ti, do, so, mi, da, ti, da, da, ti, la, so, la, ti, do, so, mi, da, 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 ti, la. Right?
Praise God!
That's the first thing you can do. Then the second thing you can do is to this is a low octave. You can come here and play the high one. Can you see? So instead of playing, you can play this high one. Can you hear that octave?
Higher notes, higher notes, higher notes, higher notes, higher notes.
The same thing that you played up here. So the same thing. La, 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 ti, do, so, mi, da, da. Do, ti, do, do, ti, la, so, la. La, ti, do, so, mi, la, do, la, mi, la, do, ti, do, ti, la, so, mi, la, do. So what I did was to as I entered the phrase, I went back up. So do, ti, do, do, ti, la, so, la. La, ti, do, so, mi, la, do, re, mi, la, do, ti, do, ti, la, so, mi, la, do, la. Do, ti, la, so, mi, la, do, la. So it's like somebody singing, whoa, oh God. You understand? Yeah, da, 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 oh God. You understand? So that's the idea. So I'm connecting this one. Oh God, until there's a mighty rise, I have right? Da da da.
Understood?
So another thing you can do is, oh God, oh God, if you heard what I played, I'm not playing specifically the song, but I'm just playing notes that part of the chord. If you want to learn how to do this particular approach, I've created 2 videos that explain how to solo with chords. So as you can hear, oh God. I know I played a lot of rubbish there, but hey, check that video out. It's going to explain how you can. Yeah, I do get. So there's a lot you can do on a chord progression such as this. So I believe you learned something new. So if you want to learn how to solo and do all this stuff, there are tutorials I've created. I'm going to drop a link in the bio. And then I have a beginner guitar course. If you don't have an idea on how to play your back chords and all those basic chords, I'm going to attach the link to the description below so that you can, get to watch and become a pro. So check out the next video.